Lero niko nacha kimbegete uniform. Uniform weye nkonye beke keronko genda chi school. Naende inkonye beka gosegeta abana babaitonga ekero begete uniform teri punishment. Ngogo prepare mambiende ankyo na boko bomugambi bunanchega iga. Ekina kiekerenge kenene kyandetaga. Abantu baminto banyari bari. Nkorora mora bande nkongi bumore ginkogenda chiskuru gosegeta chisemi chi abana baitu. Ekiagara chisemi na chiencherayo katoba serie binyoro obotaka ase binyoro byaitu. Igase litukoryara ero nago kigu osanga nainu nago chenga nabana babakorera matemuguya students. Today I'm wearing your uniform just to inspire you. I want to inspire you because the moment you work very hard, you can be a senator, you can be a pilot, you can be a future president. So wearing the uniform is not a punishment. It's preparing you for the outside world. And to the students who did very well who are going to campus, I want to wish you the very best as you face the outside world. Aba ibori mbiamono asogotenena na abanaba. Nima etenga mugato boremerwa. Lakini mokwegasa mono mwakonya abana kobere skuru. Tiganya saya basire tonya kubwaterana nainu. Nchenonya timbu atike gancha buno musene tomo chore. Aria senko nyara ngote emande tuwabwaterana nainu asenchereri nko nyara. Naende mbakere mbiamono asoko mbwate siasa nene. Na masabaino aria se bunge senete karonko nyakwegera abantu baito. Gakinga nchere abanyari bari mongoro kinga nko irani moro mojumbo yo ineri akabere oyo no mojumbo mya naenda wagosegeta chisemi zaidi. Sini kweli ninasema hivyo, na wewe ni rafiki yangu wa muda mrefu. Asante sana kwa kunikaribisha.